in this question, you have to choose the option that depicts the correct pathway for transport of sperms. Now, the correct sequence of the pathway of sperm transport from their site of production to the vas deferens follows the route that from the seminiferous tubules, the sperms travel to retitestes, which is a network of tubules within the testes. Then to the efferent ductules that transport sperm from the retitestes to the epididymis. Then epididymis, which is a long coil tube where sperm mature and are stored. And finally, vas deferens, that is the duct that carries mature sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory duct during ejaculation. So the correct pathway is retitestes, then efferent ductules, then epididymis and vas deferens. So the correct answer is option C.